Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today for you I have my May unboxing of my Young Living Essential Rewards order.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I'm kind of embarrassed by how much I ordered. I went a little crazy this month, but also I got a lot of free stuff, and to be honest, I don't remember exactly everything I ordered, so I am super excited about this. Ooh, I don't know what, maybe this is laundry detergent. Yes. This is my laundry detergent that I love. I didn't quite need this, but I needed to spend like $10 more to reach a different level to get more free stuff. So I thought I would go ahead and order this because I use it every day and it's a great laundry soap. I think this is the new lipstick that I got by the Savvy Minerals line. And I'm really excited. My lips are super chapped all the time, so I'm thinking this will be a good option. So this is called Mic Drop. Ooh. I'll do a little. Oh, it's very light. I think that'll be really pretty. So I'm excited to try this out, but it's a beautiful color and I will let you know what I think in a future video. Okay, I wanted to try a different multivitamin for James. So this is their KidSense MightyVites, and it's just a good multivitamin. There are 30 in here. No, 120. So I don't know. I just wanted to try this out. I don't have any experience, nor have I heard much about it. Some NingXia Red, and that is why this box is so big. Okay, so I got 2 big bottles of the NingXia Red. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. It is 26 ounces each bottle. They hopefully will last a while. You take 1 or 2 ounces a day, like a shot. So this is a antioxidant drink. What I like about it is it's not a juice, it's a puree. So it has all the fiber in it, and it's a mix of goji berries, blueberries, plums, cherry, a bunch of different things. And the goji berry or wolfberry is supposedly the highest antioxidant fruit that we know of on Earth right now. So a ton of antioxidants. I am doing the bikini series right now from Tone It Up. It's an 8-week challenge, and I thought this would be a good time to add this easy way to get some extra antioxidants into my diet. So I'm excited. I have tried this twice before. There is a sample in the starter kit, so I've had 2 servings before and it was really, really good. Okay, oils. Oils, oils, oils. Clarity, this was Clarity. There we go. Clarity, this was a bonus oil. I didn't pay for this. I don't know about that. I don't hate it. Oh, it's basil. Yes, I don't know about basil oil. That's the #1 ingredient. I have basil oil in my collection and I don't know about that either. So that's kind of funny. But I think this is supposed to help you concentrate maybe. I'll have to do some more research about it. Let me know if you have experience with clarity oil. Eucalyptus, this was also a bonus and I am out. So this is good. This is great for colds on adults. I think you need to be careful with eucalyptus on young children. So do your research, but, and you just, to me, eucalyptus smells like a spa. I love it. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Ooh, another bonus is Thieves. I do not need Thieves, but you kind of always need Thieves, so I'm excited to get this. Again, I use Thieves all the time. It's my second all-time favorite oil, I think. It could have bounced down to #3. It's great as an immunity boost. It smells fantastic. I think it smells like Christmas. And I use it to clean. I don't know. You use Thieves. I just love it all the time. I got a lot. Ooh, this one's small. Ooh. Okay, peace and calming. This was a bonus. Actually, this was in my cart. I was going to buy this. And then I realized it was a bonus, so I got to spend my money on something else. Oh. I want to explore more about oils helping anxiety. And so that's why I wanted this. So this is a citrus, a lot of citrus. And patchouli and some other things. Citrus to me, I would never think would help with anxiety, but I have been hearing a lot lately, like even lemon essential oil is really helpful. Like, oh. I remember why I got this. So what I really wanted to buy was ylang ylang. I don't know how to say it. That really is supposed to help with anxiety and they are out right now. It's back ordered. And that is one of the main ingredients of this after the citrus oils. And so I thought I would try this. But then it was free. Does that make sense? I doubt it. Okay, Peppermint. This is my 3rd month in the Essential Rewards program and they give you some thank you gifts at months 3, 6, and 12. And this is my 3rd month. And so they sent me a peppermint, which is awesome because peppermint is awesome. I'm seriously embarrassed about how big this order is. What is this? This looks different. Ooh, I got a Citrus Fresh oil. My sister-in-law got me a Young Living Citrus Fresh for Christmas years ago. And I'm out and I miss it. I just think this is a great... citrus is awesome for cleaning. I put it in my laundry wool balls for drying. Laundry dryer wool balls. I love it. So I bought it. Ooh, and then lime. This is the month of citrus, apparently. Lime was another freebie, and I just love citrus right now, supposedly. It smells like Chipotle chips. That's another issue I have. Young Living oils and Chipotle. This is the one that looks weird. Okay. This is Progessence Plus. I don't know if I'm saying that exactly correctly. I have no idea what this is going to smell like. I don't know how to describe it. So I apologize. Let's see. Oh, copaiba, which again, I'm probably saying incorrectly, which I love. Oh, frankincense, which I love. Some cedarwood. Okay, so this is supposed to be really great for women's hormones, and I have, or I most likely have, endometriosis. I've done some scanning, and that and my symptoms point to endometriosis, but you don't really know until you have surgery, which I have not scheduled yet. Long story longer, this is supposed to really help with, you know, this is supposed to help a lot with period pain and hormonal issues, probably like mood swing. The directions say that you put 2 to 4 drops daily on neck area, which is interesting. And also 1 to 2 drops along the forearms. So I don't know what is different or what is special about those areas for your hormones, but it must be connected to something. I don't know, I'm very excited. I'm definitely gonna give this a good try because I could use some help. These are empty. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay. I think we're on the last roll. I don't know why this is. Juniper was another freebie. I don't know much about this. I think it's a blend. It doesn't really say. I think this is supposed to help with mental clarity. Ooh, it's very earthy. I think this is one of those blends where there's so many oils that it doesn't list it here. I think you have to like peel it, and I'm scared to do that. So I don't know what's in here, but it smells very earthy and grounding. I think this would be a really fun one to diffuse, maybe with some lavender to cut it. So, hey, did I buy this? No, I think this was freebie, I think. Okay, lastly is frankincense, you guys. So I am obsessed with frankincense. I think about the wise men and baby Jesus every time I smell it. Anyways, it is like everything to me. I love it. It makes me feel calm. I like to use it for meditation. I just filmed a nightly face care routine in which I talk about frankincense, lavender, and cedarwood oil. I'll pick one of them and put it on my cold cream on my face. All 3 are really good. The thing is, what I would really love to do is only use frankincense every single day, but I was running low, so I borrowed lavender and cedarwood, and I'm always a little bit unhappy on those days, so I decided let's just buy another bottle so that I'm a little less stressed about running out of my frankincense. Frankincense, by the way, comes in the starter kit, and that's amazing because this puppy is expensive. I think this was like $50 or $60, and I mean, in the starter kit it's a smaller size, it's a 5 milliliter, but for them to give frankincense included in the starter kit, I think is a really good deal. So that's a good reason, I think, alone to kind of boost you to buy that premium starter kit. That is everything. I usually don't buy that much, but I needed citrus and soap and vitamins. I needed a lot of stuff this month. So I hope you enjoyed. I am a Young Living distributor, so if you have any questions, comment below. Find me on Instagram, send me a DM at Danielle Gets It Done. And I hope you all have a great day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.